Hey there, welcome back. Ever hear people talk about web development and wonder what exactly does it mean? Today, I'll help you understand web dev in a simple, friendly, with an easy explanation. So, first thing first, web dev is basically about creating and maintaining websites and web applications. The stuff you use every day online, like social media, blogs, online stores. It's about writing code to build sites that look good and run smoothly. Pretty cool, right? Now, web development usually has two sides, front end and back end. Think of front end as everything you see when you visit a website, the buttons, images, animations, all the cool visuals. It's built using tools like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Backend, on the other hand, is like the behind the scenes stuff you don't see, but it makes the website actually work. Things like servers, databases, and how your data is managed securely, that's all backend. An easy way to picture it, front end is the like restaurant dining area, the menu you order from, stuff you directly interact with. Backend, that's the kitchen hidden away, cooking everything up, managing orders, and making sure the food gets to your table correctly. So, what tools do developers use? Well, for the front end, the stuff everyone sees developers mostly use HTML, which put text, images, and content on the web page, CSS, which styles things, cool colors, layout, making it look great. JavaScript, this is the one makes website interactive like button you click or pop-ups. On the backend side, common tools like languages like JavaScript with Node.js, Python to handle the logic and functionality. Databases like MySQL or MongoDB, these are tools used to manage your data. Okay, web development is a team effort. Here are some of the main roles you will find. Front-end developer creates the visuals and interactive parts to see you on screen. Backend developers builds the logic and manages data behind the scenes. Full stack developers handles both front-end and backend. They're like the multitaskers. UI UX designers plans how everything looks and feels, making sure websites are user friendly and attractive. If you find any role according to you, comment below. Alright, so we have covered what web development actually is, the difference between front end and back end, and the roles and tools involved. If you enjoyed this video and you are curious to learn more, please hit the subscribe button. It really supports the channel. In the next video, we're gonna build our first page with the help of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We are just going to take a look how does the things work. Happy coding, stay motivated.